Yeah, just went home, Mick, on this rainforest walk here with Ronnie T here. He doesn't like being in photos, but he is that time. It is a giant stinger tree, or Gympie stinger tree. Now, all this leaf that you see on the ground here, you don't touch them, because even though they're rotting away, you still get stung by them. And you actually won't see one much bigger than this. He's a bloody beauty. There he goes. And he's got a strangle fig growing up the outside of him here, which will eventually kill him. Another 100, 150 years time, this tree, if it doesn't fall over, it'll be enclosed by the strangler fig. But this is as big a stinger tree, or Gympie as you'll see. Gympie, they told me, there's smaller leaf ones, and this is a Gympie, or giant stinger tree. And as you see here, he's a fair lump of a tree. And this is a bloody good little walk. And there we got another strangler fig wrapped around, I don't know what his host tree would have been, obviously some rainforest tree. Around there he's not massive or anything, but he's a good size. So we're right in amongst it here. I'm expecting a yowie to jump out. Anyhow, Mick out.